Alright, here we are. Justin just picked up the electric rickshaw for his girlfriend and their 7-year-old daughter. He's going to ride in there.
You want to jump up in the back?
We're going to show you how this can fit in the back of a pickup truck.
Okay.
Now this is our original sample.
It
So we got a light hanging off the back here.
Yeah, that should fit, no problem. Yeah.
I'm just curious, do you know anything about your truck bed?
Oh no, this is my uncle's truck.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just borrowed it for the day.
Okay, Colorado, Chevy.
Is that how that goes?
Looks like a short bed.
Should snap in.
There.
There you go.
And then,
I have some straps. I don't know how to do it, but it's a short bed. You guys know how to do straps for them?
Yeah.
yeah, I know how to do it. Here's your turn.
Thank you.
Do you mind grabbing a tape measure and just measuring the truck bed?
Probably a 5 foot.
5 foot? Still got clearance back here with the gates, I suppose you call these. What do you call these?
I don't know. Like a gate.
Yeah.
It's cool though. Like it's nice to have this little thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, give me the total length of the bed from the window to the edge here. How far to the back of the tire? 6 feet?
Yeah, a little inch above, 73 inches.
What's the
73 inches?
bed? What's the bed? 5'4", 5'5",
5.5.
5.5 feet.
5.5 feet.
I was close.
So you need 73 inches. What's the total measurement to here? $82?
7 feet.
7 feet. So 7 feet total bed. Still got clearance here.
You get a foot.
Strap it down, fit it in the bed. You can turn the front wheel here. Fits perfectly in your pickup.
Yep.
There you have it.